Crash course on Denmark. Local customs, city guides, hidden gem, and travel itineraries. Welcome to Denmark, a land of rich customs, captivating cities, and hidden gems waiting to be explored. Let's delve into the cultural norms, must-visit cities, and practical travel tips to ensure you have an unforgettable journey through this enchanting country. Local customs and etiquette. Denmark is known for its friendly and welcoming people. When greeting someone, a simple handshake suffices, and addressing people by their first names is common. Punctuality is highly valued, so it's essential to be on time for appointments and meetings. When dining in Danish homes, it's customary to say, "Tak for mad," thank you for the meal, after eating. Biking is a prevalent mode of transportation, and you'll notice cyclists everywhere. Remember to follow traffic rules and be mindful of cyclists on the roads. Must-visit cities and hidden gems. Copenhagen, the capital city, is a must-visit destination. Explore the historic Nyhavn Harbor, the iconic Little Mermaid statue, and the fascinating Tivoli Gardens. Aarhus, Denmark's second-largest city, is known for its vibrant arts and culture scene, with Aros Art Museum and the Den Gamle By Open-Air Museum being top attractions. For hidden gems, consider visiting Odense, the birthplace of Hans Christian Andersen, the beloved fairy tale writer. The charming city of Ribe, Denmark's oldest town, boasts medieval architecture and a relaxed atmosphere. Travel tips and day trips. Denmark offers fantastic day trip opportunities. From Copenhagen, take a short train ride to Helsingør and visit Kronborg Castle, the inspiration for Shakespeare's Hamlet. Alternatively, explore the picturesque island of Man, known for its stunning white cliffs at Måns Klint. Consider purchasing the Copenhagen card, offering free admission to many attractions and unlimited public transport. For budget-friendly options, explore Denmark's many free and scenic parks, perfect for picnics and leisurely strolls. Top 12 attractions of Denmark. 1. Copenhagen, Denmark's vibrant capital, a city of culture and history. 2. Aarhus, a cultural hub with Aros Museum and Den Gamle By. 3. Odense, the birthplace of Hans Christian Andersen. 4. Ribe, Denmark's oldest town, filled with medieval charm. 5. Nyhavn, the iconic harbor in Copenhagen with colorful houses. 6. The Little Mermaid, a famous statue inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale. 7. Tivoli Gardens, one of the world's oldest amusement parks. 8. Kronborg Castle, immortalized as Elsinore in Shakespeare's Hamlet. 9. Måns Klint, stunning white cliffs on the island of Man. 10. The National Museum of Denmark, showcasing Danish cultural history. 11. Legoland Billund, a family-friendly amusement park dedicated to Lego. 12. Bornholm, a beautiful island with picturesque landscapes and quaint villages. In Denmark's heart, a land of cheer. Customs warm and cities dear. From Copenhagen's lively embrace to hidden gems in quaintest grace. Aarhus, where culture blooms. Odense, where Andersen's tales enthrone. In Ribe's past, medieval site. Nyhavn's colors, a pure delight. The Little Mermaid by the sea. Tivoli's wonders, hearts set free. Kronborg's castle, history's stage. Måns Klint, cliffs on nature's page. The National Museum, stories unfold. Legoland's joy, bricks of gold. On Bornholm's isle, beauty surreal. In Denmark's realm, enchantments appeal. Summary. Denmark offers a wealth of cultural delights and stunning cities, from the vibrant streets of Copenhagen to the historical charm of Ribe. Don't miss hidden gems like Odense and Måns Klint. Explore the wonders of Kronborg Castle and indulge in Legoland's whimsy. Immerse yourself in Denmark's rich customs, embrace its friendly people, and create unforgettable memories as you explore this captivating country. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, Booking.com referral link. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.